Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Before on your way, please come to the forward entry door. Your attention is urgently needed.
Hi guys, and how you all doing? Can we all talk about this glow? First of all, can we talk about this glow? Are you mad? I'm sorry, but like, oh, this hair. Anyways, today is Tuesday and it's currently past 5 p.m. Well, today was really chilled, extremely chilled. I went for my CDS. I got back really early, but then I didn't come upstairs. I was downstairs just with my sister and a friend. Then I came up to the room like an hour later and I just thought, let me clean my room because I planned on cleaning my room today. My room is a whole mess, you guys. If you guys can see, is a whole mess. So like I'm doing like a deep cleaning the surfaces because it's a Harmattan, there's dust everywhere. So I thought I'd do that right now because I wanted to do it after I eat. So yeah, I thought I'd come show you guys that. I haven't done like a deep cleaning thingy on my channel before, and it would be a way to show you guys like the real life parts, if it makes sense, not just the glamorous life. Doesn't make sense because I rarely do this. I would almost never do something like this on my channel, but today I feel like I want to vlog it, show you guys, just so my channel isn't all about glamour or the good life and stuff, even though I'm Chioma of the good life, do you get? So anyways, let me just show you guys my room before. You can legit see the dust. So I'm legit cleaning everywhere properly. Just look at how messy my room is, but we're gonna change that and you guys are gonna do it with me. You guys, I didn't mention, but I literally have 2 hours to get this done because I have Bible study by 8, so I need to be done by 7 p.m. latest. I don't know how possible it will be for me because I'm not really a sharp worker. Do you understand? Guys, it's currently past 7 and I'm not done. The way I'm seeing it, I don't think I'll be able to finish today. I probably might just sort out this area, then tomorrow I'll do my wardrobe and stuff. I don't know yet. I don't know. But anyways, I want to tell you all a quick story about this stuff. So basically, this wasn't what I got it for. Like, this isn't even close to what I wanted. I'm gonna insert a picture. I gave this carpenter and I told him, can you do this? He told me I could do it and stuff. So I paid him now. He did this. He just did not give me mouth. I decided to use my bag hanger. I wanted to make another one, but I don't know, I've just been so reluctant to make another one. Maybe because I had so much expectation for this one and it turned out really badly. So it's kind of like holding me off to make another one. I really don't trust Nigerian carpenters, honestly. So yeah, that's the story behind this. I'm gonna add the picture so you guys can see what I really wanted. Anyways, let me get back to work. Guys, today is Wednesday, first of all, and I literally just got back home from work, and yeah, look at the state of my room. I started cleaning yesterday and was still here. You know what the funny thing is here? My room wasn't even bad yesterday. Before I showed you guys the before clip, I did that before clip. I scattered everything myself to deep clean, and now it's like I set myself up because I'm so tired. But we're doing it today. I can't be like this. This can't be the living condition of Chiomanwano, the YouTuber, Chioma of the good life. Hi guys, so I'm almost done cleaning, but I wanted to show you guys like a mini nighttime skincare routine. I am in the bathroom in case my voice is echoing, and what I'm using right now on my face is this Frank Body face scrub. My toner, I'm using this one by La Roche-Posay serum, and I use this too, vitamin C serum and niacinamide acid. I just get 2 pumps and tap that in. I'm very happy I set out my room, and also happy for my skin. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. So I'm going hiking this morning, and this is my full outfit: joggers, oversized trainers, a white tee, and this bag. So I'm going hiking with these people called K Hikers on Instagram. I discovered them sometime last year, and I've always wanted to go hiking with them, but I've never seemed to make it on time. This is actually the first time that I'm waking up pretty early on a Saturday, and I'm so excited. It's currently 7:44 a.m. Yeah, basically I'm really excited, and I will show you guys everything that I do.
What's up, major boy K-Slim, man? You know what I'm saying? Like with Chioma, you know, been on safari tour, man. You know what I'm saying?
As in there. So we had like a like a mini accident. This truck hit our bus. Let me show you guys, and it was directly at the back, and I was sitting at the last seat. It was honestly terrifying. I don't know if you can hear it from my voice. I'm literally shaking. It was so terrifying. I had to come out because I don't like nonsense. Because okay, so we we are here. I'm not going to capture snake on my vlog in Jesus' name. For my video, let me do my video.
Oh, you do a video? Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
Okay, are you ready now? Touching snakes over there. People carry through. Come up like you are going on a battle.
Oh, like how do they
Action movie.
Action.
Come. I have to video me. Let me come up too. Hey. We're going to get bushmeat and drink. For people that are drinking, she may have not drink. Is it fruit now? Which there's a fruit here.
When it comes to things like this, don't bother about hygiene.
Thank you. Hi guys, so it's still Saturday. It's currently 5:41 p.m. I got back from Nasarawa, the whole hiking stuff, around 4, and I had to quickly get ready because I have a paint and sip dinghy at Transcorp, so I'm on my way here. I have no makeup on my face, just lashes and brows, and my lips, no makeup, no foundation. So I am on my way to Transcorp for my paint and sip. I'm really late, and this ticket for this paint and sip, I got it since last year, and today is the last day for me to use it. If I could roll it over, honestly, I'd have preferred to do that for upper Saturday, but today is the last day I can actually use the ticket that I paid for. So I'm going, and I'm going really late, but better late than never.
Ryan Little.
Oh, it's so dark. The original. It's actually really beautiful.
My own bus is finally good.
Did you do it yourself?
No, he drew out the
Hot.
yes
The jar.
and the flowers.
It's really fun.
Thank you.
Now this is so nice. It's the fact that this is just you freestyling from your head, right?
Yep.
Okay. This is my work, and yeah, we're gonna just put my name. C N. Haha. I'm trying to be artistic, you know. Ah, cute. So this is my work. This is what I painted. It's safe to say I can add artists to my portfolio now. I'm an artist, so book me for your art services. I'll paint something for you, and I'm really affordable. Thank you. So if you're in Abuja, make sure you check out Art Splash Studio. They host a sip and paint. What's it called now? Yeah, they host a paint session every Saturday or every other Saturday. So I'm going to leave their Instagram handle on the screen. If you want to come have fun, this is definitely the place. They're just inside Transcorp, okay? Alright, so we're here. I'm here, and this place is giving. Wait, let me show you guys. Let's. Alright, let's take pictures.
One eternity later.
I feel like if someone is videoing us, they would have a good laugh.
Before I mess. One person's pants is torn.
So while I was out, I had a parcel delivered to me. I picked it up from the security, my estate security, and it's a beautiful Zara dress. I'm gonna quickly try it on and come show you guys what it looks like. So it's a Zara dress from Zara resellers in Nigeria, because I wanted something that I could wear. I was supposed to go out with someone yesterday, so I wanted to wear it that yesterday, but it didn't come on time, and also the person had to cancel because our own dress didn't come on time, so we're shifting it to next. Sorry, she didn't cancel, she rescheduled, so we're shifting it to next Saturday. So look how snatched my waist is looking. My stomach is so big, sha. Not concerning you. So here is the dress. Let me quickly try it on and I'll be back. You guys, how pretty is this dress? Now I don't think you guys can see. I mean, look at. Okay, so it came with this button missing, but that's not a problem. I can easily sort that out. But how pretty, how gorgeous is this dress? It's so beautiful, and I paired it with this Chanel bag and this blue mules from Ego. But how beautiful is this dress? I mean, it's slightly tight. I'm hoping to lose more weight. So guys, I just changed into my house clothes, and I'm taking this tangerine that I bought from Nasara. Tomorrow is one day, new week, same work hassle, so I need to go get my head ready for tomorrow. Okay, so see you guys. I think this will be the end of this vlog, and if you're wondering, this is what I painted, so you're gonna be seeing it in my videos because this is my work. You can see my name here, CN.